Hi guys, this is mamTa. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm come up with a recipe video. So I'm going to show you how I make my jhol momo ko achar. So let's get started. So for this you're gonna need soybean seeds, sesame seed, and if you have peanuts then that's great, you can add it. And then we're gonna blend it all together. Okay, so now I'm going to take a pan and heat some oil, maybe 2 spoons, and I'm going to add some vinegar seed. So once it turns into black color, I'm going to add some tomato and cook it for a while. So now I'm going to add some turmeric powder and salt to taste. So now once your tomato turn into gravy, I'm going to put it in a blender and I'm going to add some garlic, dry chili, timur and the powder we made it before, and I'm going to add half glass of water and chopped coriander and blend it really well. So after blending it look like this kind of pour consistency, but it is kind of thick. So if you want like thin, then you can add a little bit more water, but don't forget to adjust your salt. So yeah, this is my quick and easy jhol momo ko achar. I hope you guys like this. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.